Hey guys, what's up? Jai here, and welcome back to the channel. You know, for a lot of us, financial security is a big goal. We all dream of that extra cushion, that safety net, and that's exactly what we're talking about today. Now imagine having a steady stream of Rs 10,000 coming in every single month, without lifting a finger. Sounds good, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to break down 7 different assets that can help you achieve just that. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. So, grab your chai, get comfy, and let's unlock your path to financial freedom. Let's kick things off with a classic fixed deposits, or FDs. Think of them as the bedrock of a solid financial plan. You're essentially lending your money to a bank for a fixed period at a fixed interest rate. Now, the beauty of FDs is their predictability. You know exactly how much interest you'll earn and when you'll get your money back. This makes FDs perfect for those who prioritize safety and guaranteed returns. Plus, with various tenures and interest payout options, you can tailor them to fit your specific financial goals. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but Jai, aren't FD interest rates a bit low? And you'd be right, they aren't the highest. However, remember, we're talking about building a foundation for consistent income. FDs offer that stability, that peace of mind, which is crucial in the long run. They are the slow and steady players in your portfolio, generating reliable income month after month. Now, let's talk about investments that come with a stamp of security. Literally. Government bonds are essentially loans you give to the government. In return, the government promises to pay you a fixed interest rate over a set period. Think of it as lending a helping hand to the nation while securing your own financial well-being. What makes government bonds a great option for steady income? Well, they are considered one of the safest investments out there. Why? Because they are backed by the government itself. This minimizes the risk of default, ensuring that you receive your interest payments and principal amount on time. So if you're looking for a low-risk avenue to generate a fixed income stream, government bonds should definitely be on your radar. Alright, let's dive into the world of mutual funds. Now, I know the term mutual funds can seem a bit intimidating, but trust me, it's simpler than you think. Imagine pooling your money with a group of friends to invest in various assets like stocks and bonds. That's essentially what a mutual fund does. It allows you to invest in a diversified portfolio of assets managed by professionals, even with a smaller investment amount. Now, why are mutual funds great for generating income? Well, many mutual funds offer dividend options. This means that a portion of the fund's profits is distributed among investors at regular intervals. You can choose to receive these dividends as a steady income stream or reinvest them back into the fund for potential long-term growth. Let's talk about dividend stocks, a fantastic way to earn a regular income while participating in the growth of companies you believe in. Think of it this way. When you buy a dividend stock, you're not just buying a piece of paper, you're becoming a part owner of that company. And as a part owner, you're entitled to a share of the profits they distribute to shareholders as dividends. Now, not all companies pay dividends. Typically, well-established, profitable companies with a history of sharing profits with their shareholders opt for dividend payouts. By investing in a portfolio of such dividend-paying stocks, you can create a steady stream of passive income, all while potentially benefiting from the long-term growth of these companies. Next up, we have real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short. Now, we all know real estate can be a lucrative investment, but it often requires significant capital and comes with the hassles of property management. REITs offer a fantastic alternative. They allow you to invest in income-generating real estate assets like shopping malls, office buildings, and residential complexes without actually owning physical property. Think of REITs as specialized mutual funds that invest directly in real estate. They pool money from multiple investors to purchase and manage these properties, and in return, you earn a share of the rental income and capital appreciation. This makes REITs an excellent option for diversifying your portfolio and generating potentially higher yields compared to traditional fixed income investments. Now, let's talk about a balanced approach to investing with, you guessed it, balanced funds. These funds are like the all-rounders of the investment world, aiming to provide a stable income stream while still offering some potential for growth. Balanced funds achieve this by investing in a mix of asset classes, typically a combination of stocks and bonds. The stock portion provides the opportunity for capital appreciation, while the bond portion offers stability and regular income in the form of interest payments. This blend of growth and income makes balanced funds an ideal choice for investors looking for a well-rounded investment option for the long haul. Last but not least, let's explore the world of peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending as it's commonly known. This innovative approach to investing allows you to become the lender, connecting you directly with borrowers looking for loans. Platforms like Lendbox or Faircent facilitate these transactions, making it easy for you to lend money and earn interest on it. Now, while P2P lending offers the potential for higher returns compared to traditional fixed deposits, it's essential to remember that it does come with a certain level of risk. It's crucial to thoroughly research borrowers, diversify your lending portfolio, and understand the platform's risk mitigation strategies before diving into the world of P2P lending. And there you have it. 7 assets that can help you generate a fixed monthly income of Rs 10,000. Remember, the key to financial success is to start early, invest consistently, and diversify your portfolio. Now, it's time to take action. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Choose 1 or 2 assets that resonate with your risk appetite and financial goals and start exploring them further. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. So, take that step today and start building a more secure and prosperous future for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who might benefit from it, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome financial tips and strategies. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.